this video, we are going to solve the question Karan's house is 20 meter to the east of Rahul's house. Mehul's house is 25 meter to the northeast of Rahul's house. With respect to Mehul's house, in which direction is Karan's house? And we are also given 4 options. So, it is given that Karan's house is 20 meter to the east of Rahul's house and Mehul's house is 25 meter to the northeast of Rahul's house. We can picture this information in the following way. Let here be Rahul's house and it is given that Karan's house is to the east of Rahul's house and the east side is here. Therefore, Karan's house is here and it is at a distance of 20 meter from Rahul's house. Also, it is given that Mehul's house is 25 meter to the northeast of Rahul's house and this is the northeast side from Rahul's house. So, Mehul's house is here and it is at a distance of 25 meter from Rahul's house. So, we have to find the direction of Karan's house with respect to Mehul's house and this is our figure, and from this figure it is clear that Karan's house is to the south of Mehul's house. This is the south side and this is Mehul's house and Karan's house is to the south of Mehul's house and this distance is 50 meter because this is a right triangle and by Pythagorean theorem we can say that this distance is 15 meter. So, Karan's house is 15 meter to the south of Mehul's house and south is our required answer. So, the correct answer is option B.
Hope you all like this video. For more videos and update on the upcoming free classes, you can be part of a WhatsApp group and Telegram group. To be part of the WhatsApp group, you can just text to this number, and to be part of the Telegram group and Telegram channel, you can just search Christy's classes in Telegram. In the Telegram group, daily live free quizzes happen at 9 p.m. on General Aptitude. You can be part of that quiz also. And if you want live free classes for General Aptitude, you can download Unacademy mobile application and search this profile Christy Varghese, and you can see 300 plus pre-recorded videos, and upcoming daily live classes happen at 11 a.m. Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. free classes happen in this profile. So you're welcome to attend this free classes also, and more YouTube video details are given here. And these are the details of the full courses or the paid courses in Unacademy platform, which you can get by taking Unacademy Plus subscription with the referral code CC10. Hope to see you in the upcoming video. Thank you.